can feel the wind off of them. Here we go. Big hook. Take him, y'all! Oh, headshot. Back behind us. Coming back. Nope. Oh!
Nice shot!
Folded him! Oh, wow. Nice shot on the right. That was epic. Gotta get this YouTube going, bro. All right, y'all. First flock, we got a 14 bird rain out. They didn't do it exactly right, but we got, they didn't sit down all the way, but we got 14 out of it. There we go. There we go. Got Calvin here. Y'all follow that? Y'all follow Calvin on Instagram here, boy. How many followers you got? 1,000?
Not enough.
Not enough more? Need 1,000 of them, huh?
Oh yeah.
All right, birds. I just need 20 at a time. There we go. We're shooting what we can get, Kelly. Guys on the right, y'all make sure you're covered up and a little lower in your chair. Guy on the far right, you need to get your head on the rest, please. There we go. Yep. Be sure to get those blankets all the way up. We're sticking out pretty good. Yeah, y'all need to flip yours. Unless you want them like that.
I don't know. We were asking out when we were walking out here. Come on, Ed.
Oh, I didn't hear you. I like Gilly's side.
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
I like Gilly's side.
You got him in the head.
Yeah, nice shot. Take him, y'all.
Get him!
One more.
Hell.
He's coming back. He's coming back.
He'll come back.
Yeah, the whole flock, baby. Nice. Got some snowbirds out here, baby. We racking up the juves.
They're so stupid.
Oh my. Hell yeah. God, 100 more of those would be great. And we're cleaning up flocks, baby. Heck yeah, boys. Nice shooting.
Come on, Aves.
Nice shooting.
I told you guys this was fun.
Hey.
Here.
Here we go. Here we go. We got the gray goose, gray backs. Show me that goose, boy. Ooh, big juice. These are some healthy
Nice and
juice.
young.
Nice and young. Perfect. Take them! Keep dropping them, keep dropping them. Load up, get that one. Oh. Good shooting, guys. Take what we can get with these birds. There's a lot more than this. They might come back. We can shoot 10, we're gonna shoot 10 at a time. Take them, y'all. Good shoot. Get that one, get that one.
Oh.
Oh, and the long shot folds him.
Done.
I didn't even get a shot off. Thanks, bro. Good shot.
I didn't even get him off.
Who dropped that last one?
I didn't think you needed to. Maybe they'll still come. They got to trickle over here. Nice shot on the left. Good shot. All right, let's pick some of these up. It's getting fast and furious out here today. Oh, baby. We got more coming. Take a breather. Take a breather, Calvin.
Here.
Good doggy. Good doggy.
Here.
All right, y'all. Third flock down. We're taking what we can get. These are the oldest birds, oldest flock of birds that we hunt. And we're taking the first 20 that come in. These guys are good shooters. We're going to try to get 10, 15 each time. So that's what we're doing. We probably got 35 down already. Need about 35 more to finish this up. In a greasy Milo field. Got 100 dozen decoys out. Giant spread. We got a giant spread out to fool these birds. And it's awesome. Got the guys back down in the back there with hiding under the tall dive bomb socks. So pretty good. Sorry I'm breathing hard. It's been a quick and fast pickup and run back to the blind type of deal. So let's get back after. Right here. Front. Take these. Take them! Good shooting. Oh, off the left over there.
Nice shooting.
Nice shooting, guys. I got one.
Oh, you did?
You got that on video? Nice.
Man, I pulled it out at the very end. I didn't shoot that one.
Out there on the left and going down.
This no wind's kind of hurting us a little bit.
Come on, Ed.
Not wanting to sit down in front, so getting what we can get on these old city birds. These old city birds, huh?
Yeah, we're getting them.
We getting them. We got 40 something
Come on,
down
Ed.
already.
Here. Here.
Man, awesome.
Here.
Cleanup action going.
Here.
Get a little cleanup.
Good girl. Here. 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 Right here.
Here, right here.
Here. Right here.
Right
Good
here.
girl.
Oh, yeah. Y'all are doing good. Being still, staying covered up. Do it again. Oh, we're coming.
Do it again.
Do it again. We'll do it again. Rectum in the rectum. Rectum in the rectum. I'm gonna get that on a hoodie. What you think? Would you wear it?
Oh, what you think about it?
Might be kind of on the rainbow side of things. Shoot those. Get that one. Get him, get him, get him. Done on Canada's, boys.
We're done?
I'm done. I shot 5 already. I'm gonna shoot some white birds though. Oh, here are some white birds.
Whiteys, whiteys.
Whiteys, whiteys. Load up quick. Load up, cover up. Be still. All the good. All the good stuff.
Don't break.
She break.
Good. No.
Inbound.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Sound like a turbo jet just got up there.
They're all coming this way. Everybody nice and covered up.
Yeah, everybody come.
Real still, guys. Real still.
Your tits. Tits.
Tatas?
Tits, yeah. Tatas.
Come on. We need 50 to do it.
In our face with their tatas face. Avery covered up.
All right. Oh boy. Come on. Something do it good.
Come on, get greasy with it.
Oh my gosh, this is shitload.
Oh, they're all gonna group up and come in.
Oh my god.
You had a couple of jobs come down and land.
That's insane. That's a lot of birds. Got one on the decoy. You can feel the wind off of them.
I know, crazy.
We'll shoot this flock?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna give it a chance. You want to roast these in the decoys? Are they still there? If they go land over there, I think there's like 10 out there. I don't want to burn all that many geese unless they absolutely do.
No, it's good
do
not to shoot into those
Yeah.
megalodon wads.
Yeah. There's got to be 6 or 7 in the decoys.
There's some coming back here.
Are they?
Little wad.
We'll just be patient.
Little flocky flock. Oh, I don't think it's land.
I don't know. No wind, really.
Yeah, true.
And they've heard our shots, probably. God damn, we got this puppy quack wrecked out. Got this thing loaded down. Got 100 dozen decoys on here. Look at that baby. Woo. All right, Calvy.
Loaded down.
She's loaded, baby. Oh, we got a little muddy today. Huh?
Why do you want to get a pile pick lined up? I can, unless you want me to do it with you. Grab some whack that. Yeah. I'm just showing you something. Oh, you got it? Thank you, Wesley.
All right, y'all, we're back home now. I just wanted to go over what kind of happened at the end of the hunt there. I let the birds keep working. Giant wad of geese. So I got like 3 things to tell you before signing off on this video. Giant wad, right? So as a guide and working for an outfitter, you want to manage your birds the absolute best you can. You don't want to shoot into giant wads of geese, especially if the birds are, if you're kind of thin on geese. You never know what's lined up for the next day and the next day after that. You got 100 hunts to do in a season. You want to save your birds as much as possible. So I wasn't going to ever shoot into that giant wad unless they absolutely did it filthy. I'm talking landing 500 and the rest falling in behind them filthy. But even then, here's my second thing. We were 10 birds away from a limit, so I wouldn't have ever shot into that. If that was the first flock of the morning, that might be a different story. It would be pretty epic. But no, it was a great hunt. 10 birds away from a limit. I think we picked up like 3 singles after that. So 7 birds short of a limit for these guys. It's not in the video, but the guy next to me was like, "I don't even care. Let's sit here and watch this. I don't even care. This is awesome. Experience of a lifetime as far as the biggest spin of his life goes." He was like, "Man, that was freaking epic. I'm glad we didn't shoot into that." So it made me feel pretty good that we didn't shoot into it. But you're always dreaming of this epic flock coming into the decoys, landing 300 or 400, 500 to 1,000. You never know. You just want to see it through. So as a guide, I'm not going to take those 2 or 3 passing shots to finish out a limit when there's 3,000 birds that could get burnt for 10 birds. It's just not going to happen. I know we could have shot those birds a few times, but I just let them pass. You're never going to learn anything hunting if you don't give the birds a chance. If you don't decoy them, let them go. They won. Beat them the next day. Things like that. That's just the way I am. If I don't decoy the birds, I hate calling the shot on them. Unless it's a slow hunt the entire morning, you have to take those passing shots at 30 yards for clients. If it was just me solo hunting out there, I'm not probably going to shoot a goose unless it's landed in the decoys or at 15 yards. But you have to kill birds for clients, and that's just the way things go. We were really close to a limit, so let's watch it. Let's enjoy the show. Clients loved it. They couldn't stop talking about it. So I just want to go over that, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know the footage wasn't the best. The shooting wasn't the best. I got the 410 ripping, though, on this hunt. It jammed a couple times, and I got it absolutely ripping. The 410 is freaking awesome. I'm going to make a video about it, about the oil I used, and the whole 9 yards, what I did to get this gun shooting. A 410 semi-auto is pretty freaking fun to shoot. It doesn't kick at all. You can't even really hear it over the other gunshots in the video. So just you can basically just see what I'm pointing at and the bird going down. It's really funny to listen to. But thanks for watching, y'all. Hit that thumbs up button for me. It means a lot. And hit that subscribe button. I know like 80% of you are not subscribed to my channel and you continue to watch my videos, so just hit that subscribe button. It takes 5 seconds. We'll catch you on the next one, y'all.